Welcome friends to the Perfect Learning. Today we are going to start a new chapter Polynomial of class 9th CBSE. Basically we should know that what is polynomial. Polynomials are expressions with one or more terms with a non-zero coefficient. I will explain you what is expression, what is terms in upcoming slides. Now generally you understand that polynomials are expressions with one or more terms with a non-zero coefficient. Okay friends? And generally the polynomials is divided into three types: monomial, binomial and trinomial. There are more than three. Basically and generally the polynomial is divided into three types: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Say with me friends: monomial, binomial and trinomial. The monomial is a expressions which contain only one term. The definition is too easy. The monomial is a expressions which contain only one term. For example, 2x 2x and 3y. These are example of monomial. And the binomial is a expressions which contain two terms. This definition is also easy. Say with me: the binomial is a expressions which contain two terms. For example, 2x plus 2y. This is one term and this is one term. Totally two terms. And this is a type of a binomial. Okay friends. Another example. Another example is 3 plus 4z. This is one term and this is one term. Totally two terms. And it is a type of binomial. Trinomial is a expressions which contain three terms. For example, 4 into 5y divided by 10z. Okay friends, this is first term, this is second term and this is third term. Totally there are three terms, and this is one expressions and it contains three terms, and this is called as trinomial. You understood friends? And I will give another one example of trinomial. You can see now. 6x plus 4y into 7z. This is first term and this is second term. Finally this is third term. This expression contains three terms and it is called trinomial. We will move to the next slide. Come friends. And the basic points we should know about this chapter. We should know variable, constant, coefficient, term, expression. What is variable, what is constant, what is coefficient, and what is term, what is expressions. These 5 points we should know. Variable is an alphabet or a term that represents unknown number or unknown quantity with which is denoted by alphabets. Variable is an alphabet or a term that represents unknown number or unknown quantity which is denoted by alphabets. For example, A, B, Z, Y. There are 26 different alphabets. You can take any one of them. And the variables are not a fixed value. Okay friends, the variables are not a fixed values. Constant is a numerical value, it is a fixed quantity. Whereas constant is a numerical value, not a alphabetic value. The constant is a numerical value and it is a fixed quantity. Whereas in variable is not a fixed quantity. In constant, it is a fixed quantity. For example, 2, 4, 5. These are the numerical values and these are fixed. We cannot change these numerical values. Okay friends? The third point, Coefficient is a numerical factor of the term containing constant and variables. For example, here the 3x is a term. Okay friends, the 3x is a term and the x coefficient is 3. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is equal to 3. Here see, coefficient is a numerical factor of the term containing constant and variable. One term containing a constant and variable, the term's factor is coefficient. The numerical factor of a term containing constant and variables. I will give another example. 5y comma 3z. In this term, the factor of the coefficient of the coefficient of y is equal to 5. Here the coefficient of y is equal to 5 and here the coefficient of z is equal to 3 and there is no number, only variable, means see here x is there. There is no number means we should put here 1. Okay friends, the coefficient of x is 1. You understood friends? Okay, we will move to the next point. Term is either a variable or a single number. Term can be either a variable. Variable means alphabet. We will take x. And or a single number. A single number is 2. We can take anyone. X is a variable and 2 is a number. And we can take 2y, 3x. Okay. These are single terms. You came to know about what is a term. Okay, we will go to the expressions. Expressions contain more than one term. Expressions are those which contain more than one term. For example, 3x minus 4. Here there are more than one term. One is 3x and another one is 4. Totally there are two terms. It is called as a binomial and expressions. Mainly first we will call this as expression. Here see, expressions contain more than one term. You can see here. Okay guys, we will move to the next slide. Easy riddle. Friends, now is the time to give our mind rest for few minutes. Okay, I will tell you a tricky riddle and a easy riddle. You should give me an answer. The riddle is, I am a fruit. You can see in the screen. I am a fruit. I am a bird. I am also a person. What I am? I will give you time, friends. Think. Tick 1. Tick 2. Tick 3. Tick 4. Tick 5. Now I will say the answer, friends. Dun, dun, dun. Kiwi. Friends, the answer is kiwi, friends. Okay, we will move to the next slide. We will now go to the studies. Come friends, we will move to the next slide. Introduction. In this chapter, we shall start our study with a particular type of algebraic expression called polynomial and terminology related to it. We shall also study the remainder theorem and factor theorem and their use in the factorization of polynomials. Basically, in this chapter, we will study or practice with a particular type of algebraic expressions called polynomial, friends. And we are also going to study about the remainder theorem and factor theorem. There are mainly two theorems, remainder theorem and factor theorems. I will explaining you about in the upcoming classes or upcoming videos. Now we will move to the next slide. And recall identities. These three identities which we have already studied in the 8th class, the previous class. And these three identities we all are knowing. Okay friends. First identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And last but not least, a square minus b square is equal to bracket a minus b bracket close bracket a plus b bracket close. I will explain you how a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I will be explaining this first identity how it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will move to the next slide, guys. I will explain you in that slide. Okay. Tin. Okay. Write in your notebook that how I am writing a plus b whole square. We can write it as like this: a plus b bracket close bracket on a plus b bracket close. Write like this. We can write like this also, friends, and it can be expanded like this. The a will be multiplied by this ab. This a will be multiplied by this a plus b, and this plus b will be also multiplied by this ab. Plus b is multiplied by a plus b. Okay, friends. Now see the answer. A into a square. A into a square. A into b plus ab. A into b what? Plus ab. And b into a ba. We can write it as also ab. ba ab both are same, and plus b into plus b square. Friends, you are getting? Okay. A square plus ab 2ab and plus b square. Finally, we have got this formula identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. How it came, you understood, friends? You did not understood means in description box I gave my Gmail ID. You can message me and I will explain you separately. Okay, friends? Okay, we will move to the next slide. We are also going to study two theorem. I have already said about this two theorem in introduction part. There are two mainly theorems. One is remainder theorem and another one is factor theorem. Friends, these two theorems will be helpful to solve upcoming problems and upcoming questions in the exercise 2.1 or 2.2. So I will be explaining of these two terms in the upcoming videos or upcoming classes. I said you that. Okay, friends, we will finish this class here only. Bye, friends. See you, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the more videos. Bye, friends.